times kahit naka-low carb ka, nararamdaman mo yung pagod ka, bloated, or stress. Stress messes with your hormones, and even your low carb meals can save you. Cortisol spikes and cravings go wild. Pero there's a way to still eat low carb and be hormone friendly kahit busy ka pa. Always remember these three things. Number one, prioritize protein in every meal because protein keeps energy stable and keeps cravings away. Number two, don't forget to add healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, and olive oil because they help balance cortisol. And number three, pwede ding mag-add ng fiber from veggies. This is to help digestion and also to balance your hormones. So kahit stress ka sa trabaho, low carb can definitely work with your hormones. If you want to know more, join me, Coach Dan, and the Elevate Coaching team. We are opening a few slots in our coaching program to help you how to incorporate the low carb lifestyle stress-free. Comment down LC Fitness and I will get back to you with the details.